Hello, this is a cutting and trusting review of Gael Fabre's reproduction of the Skokloser sword, inventory number 7294, Sierra Hotel Oscar Echo. In Oxshot typology, it could be a large type 18C or very cutty type 17. In Brunhoff-Meyer, it's easier to class as it is clearly a group 4B. The sword was made in Passau, very probably approved and certified by cutlers affiliated to the bishop ruling the town. The reproduction is in modern steel and turned out to be to the exact measurement of the original blade. The notable points are that the blade is very wide, the thickest part is just after the middle of the blade and not near the hilt. The blade profile changed 4 times from hilt to tip. I think globally the idea was clearly to create a thin cutting planes whilst retaining enough stiffness for thrusting. And lately, and for lack of a better word, the point is Spitzer bullet shaped. As expected, the blade is a good cutter, and it is surprisingly nimble for something of its size. In fact, I feel it would work just as well as a longsword proper or as a montante. Whilst going easily through 8 layers of cloth, 16 layers stop the direct penetration. That being said, the tip drags the fabric into the target. A sword with a similar blade profile, in our case a sword here 1015, which has a sharper tip, easily go through 40 layers. I really don't know why they choose that bullet shape for the tip, but it is a deliberate choice. What we have noticed is that regardless the number of layers, be it 16, 32 or even 40, the sword always managed to extensively damage both the polystyrene field card box and the archery target that is sitting in front of that box.